Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome latest current stable version on Kali Linux 2025.3. But the process is same on all Kali Linux version. First open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine, then search for download Google Chrome. Then click on this Google Chrome web browser. Then click on download Chrome. For Kali Linux, we have to select this 64bit.debian package. Then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 115 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls, see here we have the Google Chrome stable current Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then type Google, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to application menu, search for Chrome. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See here, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to select this checkbox. If you want to send automatically usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select this checkbox. I don't want either of them. It is up to you. Then click on OK. I don't want to sign in. Got it. See, we got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore, so remove it. rm, go Google, press the tab, ls. See here we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome latest current version on Kali Linux 2025.3. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.